My name is Devin Spear, and I am making this video to try to communicate as effectively as I can about what I think is a simple problem. It's the cooling of my townhome, the townhome I'm renting in Cary, North Carolina, at a project called Bradford, the Bradford Luxury Apartments and Townhomes. And this problem has been known for the whole time I've been here, which is now 6 weeks. The problem is relatively straightforward. It's that the cooling upstairs and downstairs is radically different. I'm going to show you some examples to try to document exactly what I mean as precisely as I can. I'm trying to articulate that even though this might seem trivial to some people, the room and the space that is the hottest and the most intolerable is actually the master bedroom, where I, the tenant that writes a check every month, spends 8 or 10 hours a day. And it's also an issue where I'm not some crazy homeowner or renter just trying to create a problem. I really am so tired of dealing with this, and yet this simple video is yet more waste of my time to try to articulate that it's not a tiny problem. It needs to be corrected in a redesigned fashion. To summarize it, it's an issue of having one zone of cooling in the building. There's a thermostat downstairs. There's one small vent in this 400 square foot room I'm in. This is also my home office. I work at home like a lot of people in Cary, North Carolina. And there's not enough airflow. There's also a lot of sunlight coming through these windows. So for some reason, this was designed ineffectively, improperly. Maybe it was a design flaw, and that's why I'm trying to articulate this as clearly as I can, so that professionals, I'm not a HVAC professional, but I have a lot of common sense and I understand how HVAC systems work. I was a general contractor. But I want professionals to move beyond just looking at the theoretical data and see what I'm living in every day. So now let me give you a quick tour walking through the downstairs and upstairs area of the townhome here, 1805 Bradford View Drive. Okay, we're going to start this little illustration here at the thermostat. You can see it's set at 71 degrees. It's currently registering at the thermostat 71 degrees. I have two infrared thermometers. Both of them are closely calibrated where they were a minute ago, within 1 degree of each other, or half a degree. So one reads 67.8, the other one's 69.6, or now 68 and 69. So both of these are a few degrees, 1 or 2 degrees lower than what the thermostat says. And I'm going to, just for reference, that's the whole point, is to show the difference between downstairs and upstairs. I want to use the one with the white display. It's currently reading 69.4 degrees. And the thermostat is still at 71. So I'll move around the room and show you different areas. Wall temperature is 69.4. Furniture 69. Exterior wall 71.6, obviously a little hotter. Furniture here is 69 degrees. This furniture is 69.4. I'll show you one other place in the dining room where it's 68.5 on the sofa there. This is 69 on this table. So generally the downstairs area, 69 degrees on average, even where the HVAC unit is. The intake behind this panel is 69 degrees. So as we move upstairs, you're going to see the difference. 69 degrees is comfortable or comfortably cool for me and my family. The foyer, 73 degrees, is getting some daylight. As we move up the stairs, 72 degrees. Walking up the stairs to the second level. Midway, 70 degrees, 71. The top of the stairs, 71.9, 72 degrees. 72 degrees in the hallway, upstairs hallway. As you move to the master bedroom where we have the problem, 72 degrees in the hallway still. And in this room I can feel the heat. I can feel the difference in the heat immediately. Wall temperatures here, 73 degrees. Furniture, 74. 73.5. Upholstery, 73.5, 74 degrees. The headboard, 74 degrees. And you move around to where I have a home office. The surface is a little cooler there, 72. Exterior wall, 73.9. Other exterior walls, obviously it's closer to the daylight, 75 degrees, 77 degrees on this wall. So you've seen the data, you've seen these measurements from the upstairs to the downstairs. There's no doubt that the cooling system is doing its job. It's producing cold air. It's cooling the downstairs area effectively too much to maintain some reasonable comfort upstairs. I chose to rent at the Bradford apartment luxury townhome project, because I didn't want to be a homeowner anymore. I didn't want to deal with warranty service issues and maintenance issues and have to deal with owning a property. And it's no secret, all the tenants here are spending a lot of money for a premium product. The rent here is very, very high compared to renting any other property. So the fact that I can't set my thermostat at one temperature setting and all the rooms of the house are relatively within 1 or 2 degrees, that is kind of a big deal to me. That's why I chose to be here. That's why I chose to spend as much money as I do to rent at the Bradford. I make a payment every month for the exact amount that's on my lease agreement. It seems realistic that I can set my thermostat to an exact amount, an exact figure, and it cool the unit. It's important because it's where I live, and everyone probably wants to be comfortable where they live. And right now I'm really, really uncomfortable, and the concern I have is that it's not being seriously addressed, and I need to find some solution. If there's anything I can do to help move this to closure as soon as possible, please let me know. Thank you very much.